As a YouTube creator, you understand the constant quest for more efficient content creation. It's an ever-evolving world where the need to streamline processes is crucial. What if there was a tool to ease your workflow? Enter the Game Changer, a free text-to-video AI generator. We all face challenges in the content creation process, don't we? One of the biggest hurdles that creators often grapple with is the time-consuming nature of video editing and script writing. Imagine having to juggle between multiple tasks, from conceptualizing ideas and penning down scripts to editing and fine-tuning the final video. It's a whole circus act, isn't it? Not to mention the pressure of consistently producing high-quality content. These challenges can often hinder the creative process. So, how can a text-to-video AI generator help, you ask? Well, it's simple yet revolutionary. You provide the written script and the AI takes over. It analyzes your text, breaking it down into bite-sized pieces. Then it matches each segment with relevant visual content, be it images, videos, or animations. It even adds background music and voiceover that best fits the mood of your content. And just like that, your script is transformed into an engaging video automatically. The benefits of this tool are far-reaching. Imagine having the power to convert your written scripts into engaging videos without the need for complex editing software or technical skills. The text-to-video AI generator saves you valuable time, allowing you to focus on what really matters, creating unique and captivating content. It produces professional-looking videos, enhancing your online presence and boosting your productivity. It's a tool designed to make your life easier and your content better. Let's summarize the key takeaways. Automating video creation boosts content quality and workflow efficiency, truly revolutionizing your content creation process. In essence, automating video creation can revolutionize your content creation process. Ready to take your content creation to the next level? Try a text-to-video AI generator and share your experiences. Subscribe to our channel to stay ahead of the competition. We can't wait to hear about your experiences. Click the link in the description below now to learn more.